Welcome to this very episode of our native language. We'll still be talking about our flying creatures, that is our bird. Isoko, Emama Nerera, Evra. The second part of it. Swan, Okolobiabade, Okolobiabade. Pelican, Okbitolo, Okbitolo. Bats, Ada, Ada. Heron, Erwele, Erwele. Hoopoe, Akiaini, Akiaini. Red kites, Egodiowawa, Egodiowawa. Black kites, Egodiobibi, Egodiobibi. Fowl or chicken, Okoko Hayarife, Okoko Hayarife. Duck fowl, Odogumo Obubuyeke, Odogumo Obubuyeke. These are some birds we've talked about. Swan, Okolobiabade. Pelican, Okbitolo. Bat, Ada. Heron, Erwele. Hoopoe, Akiaini. Red kite, Egodiowawa. Black kite, Egodiobibi. Fowl or chicken, Okoko Ayarife. Duck fowl, Odogumo Ayobubuyeke. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.